Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and unfortunately I do not see any kind of timer icon, which means that we have to open the settings. Let's simply tap on this four dots icon in the right lower corner, and now we've got more options, and the third option is connected with the timer. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the specific option. As you can see, it will be immediately highlighted, the icon will also change slightly. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 2, I believe, or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And that's all. Of course, you can turn the timer off just by tapping on this icon right here. We had the icon which shown that we've got the timer set, so we can simply tap on it and quickly turn it off, or just go to this 4 dots icon again and tap on this icon without any kind of countdown. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.